I'm Jo. I'm one of the teachers here at Intrepid English, and today you're with me at my local train station. Once the trains have passed, the barriers will go up. When the barriers are up, it's safe to cross the train tracks. It's definitely not safe for cars to stop on the train tracks. There is the station. So now, to buy a ticket. You can buy tickets from the ticket office, which is inside the station. You can also buy a ticket from one of these machines. To use the ticket machine, there is a touch screen. There are even different languages: English, French and German. Let's go for English. And we can go to London with a face covering. Return today, press here to pay. And you can pay by card. There's a sign here which tells us which platform we need to be on, depending on our destination. And there's also a map of the rail network. This is an automatic ticket barrier. You put your ticket in here, and then the barrier will open. There's also a screen which gives you information on the arrivals and departures of the trains from the station. This is a smaller local station, so there are just 2 tracks, one for trains going in each direction. This train that's just arrived is going towards London. The platforms are very empty now because the London train has just left. Lots more people are arriving because it's rush hour. This is the ticket barrier where you present your ticket to leave the station. Please, may I pass? Thank you very much. Thank you for joining me at the station today. I've enjoyed exploring with you.